Welcome back to Dad Deals for the top things you should be buying at Harbor Freight in September 2025. Harbor Freight just dropped a bunch of new coupons, and there's a lot of deals going on right now for ITC members and everyone else. So sit back, relax, stay tuned, and I'll break it all down for you. One thing, if you find my video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I'm really trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So if you haven't already done so, please consider hitting that subscribe button. All right, without further ado, let's get started. So first up here, we have the Fortress 2-gallon. This is the ultra quiet design. It's up to 135 PSI, has a nice convenient carry handle on the top of it. And this is $30 off right now at $160. Next up, we have some airbrushes on sale from the Black Widow brand. So if you're into any hobby modeling or anything like that, these are nice airbrushes. This one's $72, is the dual action airbrush. They also have the precision control version here at $80. If you have any flooring projects coming up, let's say you want to install some hardwood floors, check out this 2-in-1 flooring air nailer and stapler. It's on sale for $130. Oftentimes, especially if you're going to do it yourself, it's cheaper just to buy this tool than it is to try to rent it at another store like Home Depot or something like that. Once you get past a few days, it's really just cheaper just to buy it. So check this one out. It's on sale for $130. Here's a new item that I found in my store. This is the Doyle magnetizer and demagnetizer. It is $8, which I think is a pretty fair price. This thing can quickly magnetize any screwdriver or driver bit that you have, so you know it's going to hold onto that screw nice and tight. And then if you're in a situation where you don't want it magnetized, you can quickly demagnetize it. So it's pretty cool. You can switch back and forth. This also has a keychain, so you can have it right on your belt loop or hook it right to your tool bag. But check this one out, just $8. Next up, we have that Central Pneumatic. This is often on sale, but it's still a great set here, 20-piece set. This is really about the target price, between $10 and $12. This is $12 right now. You're going to get the coil hose, a blowgun, bunch of quick connects, even some Teflon tape. So a nice starter set here for an air compressor. These infrared laser thermometers are really handy. I use mine the most for grilling to make sure everything's at the right temperature before I put any meat on the grill. But there's a bunch of uses for this, of just reading temperatures around your house, maybe checking for where things are not insulated well. But $15 for this is a great price. Has a nice big screen on it and a backlit display. Your Daytona 3-ton jack stands are on sale again at $30. These are available in all different colors. Don't ever spend more than $30 on these. These seem like they go on sale at every sale. $30 is a great price, but do not spend more than that. Here's your 6-inch magnetic parts holder. These things are great. This one's half off right now at just $2. You also have the Badland off-road jack here at $50 off at $330. That's a nice price. We're getting into the cold weather, and that's usually when batteries start to struggle. So here's the Syntec battery maintainer. So if you have a vehicle or maybe a lawn tractor or anything like that that you rarely use or that's going to sit a while in cold weather, using one of these can make sure it's ready to go whenever you need to use it. Also, same kind of thinking, but this is one that you could take along with you and can jumpstart you in a bad situation. Here's the Viking 1000 peak amp jump starter, and this one also has an air compressor in it up to 150 PSI. So if you get a flat tire, this can get you out of that situation as well. But this is 20% off at $80. Next up, we have some Hallmaster heavy-duty rationing tie-downs. These have an 833-pound capacity. They're 20 feet long, and they're $9. Here's the Drummond 1/4 horsepower submersible utility pump on sale for $120. If you need to drain a pool, you're going to close down your pool, you can put this thing on top of the cover to drain any water out of it. Here's just some nice cleaning gloves. You could always use a pair of these. You get 2 pairs here at just $2, so great price. Here's an interesting item I hadn't really seen before. This is the Doyle cable splicing kit. It's on sale for just $10. But if you deal with a lot of cabling, these tools are specifically designed for that. Comes with a nice holster so you can put it right on your belt. And check this out, just $10. Here's a really nice price on some nice self-adjusting wire strippers. If you haven't tried one of these yet, you've got to try it. I picked up the Pittsburgh pair a while ago and have absolutely loved them. I'm just so amazed at how well it can do and give you that perfect wire strip every single time. It also has a built-in crimper in the middle, so if you use any of those butt connectors, you're covered there. But this is the Quinn version, so it's a little bit nicer, feels a little bit more sturdy in your hand, and it's on sale for $18. Here's a nice Pittsburgh tool set, 130-piece set here. You're getting some hammers, wrenches, screwdrivers, sockets. This is 20% off at $32, and of course, everything has a lifetime warranty. Some Braun flashlights on sale. Here's a UV leak detector. So you're getting a black light with this. It's nice, compact, handheld. It's just $5 right now. Here's a nice extension cord. This is a 25-foot 10-gauge indoor-outdoor extension cord with a triple tap on the end. Also, the tap on it is see-through, so it has the indicator light so you know if it's getting power. So nice heavy-duty cord here at $35. This aluminum chair is on sale at $25. I talked about this in my camping gear video. A lot of people in the comments gave me a hard time for leaving it on a pool deck, but just know if you leave this outside, it will get damaged pretty quickly. But if you take good care of it, it is a nice seat. It's wide, has a nice side table and side pockets, and it's super lightweight, which is nice. All right, it's fall cleanup season. We're about to have those leaves start dropping. Here's the corded version of their chipper and shredder, sort of a light duty model at $115. If you really have a lot to do and you have some sticks and twigs too, here's the Predator gas chipper and shredder at $480. That is $120 off though. A lot of tarps are on sale. Here's just your typical blue all-purpose tarp. This is 30 foot by 50 foot and it's on sale for $80. You have your 20 foot by 30 foot extreme duty tarp at $80 as well. Of course, fall pruning time. Here's some nice steel handle loppers at $11. And if you need to chop any firewood for any fall campfires, check out the fiberglass axe here at $18. I love this extra large microfiber drying towel. Now this has been lower. I think it's been around $5, but this is still a decent price for it at $8. This thing is huge and it is great for drying off your car after a car wash. It's double-sided, so you can use one side maybe to dry your car. The other side can be great for cleaning your windows, but I absolutely love this thing and it is $8 right now. Here's a nice impact driver bit set from Hercules. It's a 45-piece set here for $19. I really like these Warrior reciprocating saw blades. If you're doing any demo work and you don't really care about that blade lasting a super long time, you know it's going to get damaged anyway, just get these cheap ones here. You get a 12-pack for $7. Here's a nice price on the Bauer hook and loop sanding disc, a 5-pack for $4. If you deal with any concrete work and grinding it, check out this dust shroud from Hercules. It's on sale for $25. Can really help reduce that concrete dust. A lot of these Doyle utility knives are on sale. This is the retractable version at $7. You also have the flip version for $9 and the Hawk Bill version at $9 as well. Your Pittsburgh Creeper, I have this exact one. I really like it. It has a lot of nice storage areas for nuts and bolts or anything you got going on. I also found it pretty comfortable, even though it is a hard plastic. I think it contours to your body really nicely. And this one's on sale for $33. Next up, we have these US General magnetic accessories. This is the cup holder, or you could use it for like a can of WD-40 or anything else you got, but this is $9 right now. Some US General cabinets are on sale. This is your 56-inch Series 3 roll cab at $800, $100 off. They also have the 6-drawer full bank service cart at $80 off, $520 is going to be a price there. And then the in cabinets are on sale as well at $250. These Yukon multi-purpose tool organizers are pretty nice. These are on sale for $10. Now they do look pretty dinky right out of the package. The rails are just plastic, but I've had this up in my shed and it's done a great job at holding tools. So I'd say it's worth it at $10. Next up, we have some Dollar Day coupons. These are the Storehouse electrical clip set, a 28-piece set here. Has all the electrical clips that you might need at just $2. You also have your smaller 4-inch magnetic parts holder at just $1. Some drop cloths here for just $1 as well. This is cheaper than the Dollar Tree now that they're $1.25. Some small micro spring clamps, a 6-piece set here, just $1. Can use these for chip clips. Here's a nice pen light, 200 lumens here. This is $5. If you ever do interior work on your car, definitely get one of these trim and molding tool sets. Don't risk damaging anything. And this is a 5-piece set for just $5. A color-coded socket set, a 10-piece set. You can quickly identify what size you need. This is just $7. And then these next deals are for Inside Track Club members only. That's the yearly subscription. Here's another color-coded socket set. This is the deep socket set, 10-piece set for just $10. Back to some of those US General deals. Here's the 56-inch top chest at just $500 for ITC members. You also have the 42-inch roll cab at $530. Magnetic socket rails are just $13. Some more tarps on sale for ITC members. This is the 12-foot by 16-foot extreme duty version at $27. These hardwood dollies are super nice. This is the one that's carpeted, so you won't scratch up anything. If you have any furniture to move or anything like that, always good to have one of these. These are $24. You also have that heavy-duty extension cord. The 25-foot version was on sale for everybody. Here's the one for ITC members. This is the 100-foot version of that at $65. Still has that triple tap on the end. You also have your cushion grip screwdriver set here, a 12-piece set at just $5. That's a great price. An adjustable wrench set here with some rubber grips at just $13. These moving blankets are always great to keep in the back of your truck. This is the extra large double-sided version, and this is just $13. A great price here on a large flat panel TV mount. This is just $13 as well. Another nice tool set here. There's a 146-piece set. At just $50, you're getting some wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, even some sockets, even some spring clamps, and a nice case here, $50. If you have any weeds to deal with and you want a more fun way to kill them, check out this propane torch here at $24. Here's another new item. This is a heavy-duty coupler lock. Comes with 2 keys, and this is on sale for $20 right now. Here's a string of work lights for $60, a 50-foot strand. So if you're working in maybe an attic or crawl space or something like that, you could spread these out and have some nice light. Your Icon Professional pick and hook set, a 4-piece set here for $15. A really nice set here. They have nice thick handles that are easy to grip. One of the original meme tools, this is the Gordon 20-in-1 multi-tool. It's on sale for $35. Here's a nice set to have if you ever need to do any spark plug changes. It's a spark plug socket set from Quinn at $60. And an underhood light to go with that. This is 2000 lumens from Braun at $50. If you just got a multi-tool or you need to replenish some blades for your multi-tool, check out these from Bauer. This has pretty much any one that you'll ever need. A 4-piece set here at $10. Here's a nice tripod work light from Braun. This can reach 4,500 lumens. Has 2 heads on it. It's LED and it's $70. A really nice tire inflator here with a digital gauge attached to it from Merlin at $50. And then last up here, we have the US General. This is the large 4-section magnetic parts tray at just $12. All right, those are all your deals for September. Again, if you find my video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time on Dad Deals.